Hello, my people. Hello. Hope you're doing well. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Ndewo na ụmụnne m. Ama m na ahụ siri onye ọbụla ike. Nke onye chiri ya zere. Nke chiri nwanne biko zerekwa. Okay? Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some sentences. Ahiriokwu. Ahiriokwu n'asụsụ Igbo. E nwere ọtụtụ ahiriokwu. Ma lee ka ị hụrụ ahiriokwu nke anyị nwere n'ụbọchị taa. See today's sentences we are going to make. Okay? Igbo onye Igbo. Igbo amaka. Igbo dị mma. Ka anyị sụọ Igbo. Let's begin. Can you get up, please? Can you get up, please? Biko, ị nwere ike ibili? Biko, ị nwere ike ibili? Get up. Get up. Bilie. Bilie. Are you awake? Are you awake? Itetela. You can also hear itela. Itetela or itela. I am awake. I am awake. I am awake. Etetelam or etelam. Etetelam mobu etelam. She will wake up. She will wake up. Oge etete. Oge etete. He or she. Oge etetele. You know when you don't want to mention somebody's name. Or is nochiaha. Please wash your hands. Biko kwa aka gị. Biko kwa aka gị. Have you washed your hands? Have you washed your hands? Ị kwọọla aka gị. Ị kwọọla aka gị. You can also hear ị kwọrọ aka gị. Ị kwọrọ aka gị. Ị kwọọla aka gị maọbụ ị kwọrọ aka gị. I wash my hands. Akwọrọ m aka m. Akwọrọ m aka m. I've washed my hands. Akwọọla m aka m. Akwọọla m aka m. I want to have a shower. I want to have a shower. Achọrọ m ịsa ahụ. Achọrọ m ịsa ahụ. I am having a shower. I am having a shower. Ana m asa ahụ. Ana m asa ahụ. Did you have a shower? Did you have a shower? Ị sara ahụ maọbụ ị saala ahụ? These are two things you hear. Ị sara ahụ maọbụ ị saala ahụ? I have had a shower. Asaala m ahụ. Asaala m ahụ. Come here. Bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a. Come here. Bịa ebe a. Are you coming? Are you coming? Ị na-abịa? Ị na-abịa? She is coming. He or she. Ọ na-abịa. He, ọ na-abịa. The same nọchi ahụ. I am going to school. I am going to school. Ana m eje akwụkwọ. Ana m eje akwụkwọ. She is going to school. Ọ na-eje akwụkwọ. Ọ na-eje akwụkwọ. He or she. He is going to school. Ọ na-eje akwụkwọ. She is going to school. Same. Ọ na-eje akwụkwọ. They are going to school. Ha na-eje akwụkwọ. They went to school. When they have already been to school, they went to school. Ha jere akwụkwọ. Ha jere akwụkwọ. Hope you learn something today. Hope you get something. Hope you learn something today. You know, this Igbo language is when you keep practicing. It's when you practice. It's when you practice is when you learn it. If you don't practice, this sentence we learn today is what we use on a daily basis. It's what we use on a daily basis. Everyday use. It's everyday use. It's something you use every day. Like when you wake up, you say, I am awake. Etetelam, etetelam, maobu etelam. You see, this is what you use every day. It's everyday use. It's everyday use. If you keep practicing, believe me, you will learn this language. Parents, I will not leave you parents. I'll keep calling on you parents. Parents, please help your children. Help your children to learn this language. We all know the importance of this language. We all know the importance of speaking, learning this language. Okay? See you on my next video. Stay well, stay safe, stay tuned. Ka ọ dị na mgbe ọzọ ụmụnne m, nọdị na mma, ka emesịanụ. Bye bye.